Hi, this is Nitin from Trust Focus Software Solution. In this video, I am going to show you how to register a new patient. So when you log in an OpenERP, this window will open in front of you. In the left side, you can see there are so many modules are there: sales, purchase, warehouse, medical, accounting, administrator. And you can also see in the bottom left side so many customers shortcut are there. Suppose customers, health centers, patients, physicians, products, and reconfigure. So we will concentrate on medical module. In the medical module, you can see patient. Inside this patient, there is a new patient option is there. So when you double click new patient, your form will open in front of you. The tab name is new patient. In this form, so many fields are there: patient name, ID, date of birth, sex, file number. In the general information, blood type, address, RH, marital status, ethnic group, insurance, primary care doctor. So when you enter Rajesh, he is a new patient for an RMC, and when you press enter, it will search in the RES partner. What is the concept of partner? OpenERB will not understood the patient. When we are creating the patient, it will not understand. He knows the concept of partner. Why we are creating here partner? Because we are creating partner as a patient. This partners is applicable for several modules. It may be sales, it may be purchase, it may be warehouse, it may be accounting, it may be administrator. So when you create partner as a patient, these modules can also access by using partner. So we are using creating partner. So Rajesh is there inside the partner, but we are creating another Rajesh. So there is an option in the bottom side, new. So when you click new, there are so many fields come in front of you within a form. This form is for creating a partner as a patient. So enter the patient or partner name. Here ID number is nothing but iCare patient ID. It's linked with the iCare patient ID. iCare is nothing but the RMC old software. Here ID number is linked with that. But for the new patient, you will enter a new ID. In the contact name, you can enter if any contact is there. So Nitin is the contact person of this partner. Relation, friend. In the postal address, you can see types. In the types, so many different options are there: default, invoice, delivery, contact, others. So you have to choose default because this default is applicable for invoice also, this is applicable for delivery also, and this is also for contact also. That's why we choose default. Street, you can enter. Zip, country. For the country, we incorporated country name with the code. See, here you can see all the country names with the corresponding the code. So you can choose here. So if you know the code, you can easily access. For India, I will press IN, it will automatically come India. For Tanzania, TZ, it will auto come Tanzania. So like that, you will enter the country name. For the state name also, we did like the same. KAR, Karnataka. You can also create a state from here. Karnataka, KAR with the country India. If you want to create new, click new, country name India, state name is Delhi, and state code is DH. Okay, you can see Delhi came for that. You can also enter the phone number of the patient, mobile number, and the email address. When you enter all the details of the patient, you will click OK. You can see here there is a option OK. Click here OK. So when you press OK, you can see here in the address field Nitin, India, second cross, fourth min. It will automatically come when you will submit the partner form. See here all the blue fields are mandatory. If you will not fill the blue fields, you will not go further. So it should be mandatory. You need to fill this form, all the blue fields. So date of birth you can choose from here. For file number, you see that there is a string unreg. What it means? Suppose a patient came for lab testing purpose. So for that patient there is no need to file number. For that type of patient you have to enter unregistered. And if a patient came for the treatment in the RMC hospital, at that time there should be a file number for a patient. So you have to enter the file number. The file number format you can see from here. Okay. From sex you can choose male. This patient age is a read-only field, so you will not enter anything. When you enter all the information from here and you will save it, this will automatically come. So in the blood type, B, RH type negative, marital status single, ethnic group, there are 7 ethnic groups are there, so you can choose corresponding to the patient belonging. So if the patient having the insurance detail, from here you can enter the insurance of the patient. So you can click here. After that, new. Few of the mandatory fields are there. So enter the card number, insurance company, the person, the patient, membership for that insurance company. You can enter from here, and the expiry date from here. These are the optional. This is the optional field, but it's not. Over liability, how much it is there. What is the corporate name for this insurance company? What is the relation with the card holder? If suppose Rajesh is the card holder and his wife is taking the treatment, so here is the husband. So you can enter self, because he only taking the treatment, and the name, because primary card holder is Rajesh only. You can also enter the extra information about the patient. You can click OK. So you can see there insurance company with the card name, it will automatically come in this field. From the primary care doctor, it is nothing but the current primary care doctor or the family doctor. So from here you can choose the all the doctor's name is there. You can choose anyone. Here one more option is there. You can choose the patient image or photo while registering a new patient. So from here you can choose the photo where you kept it. So it's already there, Rajesh is there. So select it and click open. It will not came in front of you. You can save it from here. You can also clear by using this. If you don't want this for picture, you can clear from this option. So save it. So we already enter all the information regarding this patient. So when you save from here, you can see the patient age will automatically come 16th year, 0 month and 16 day, and the status is document save. So this is the process how we register a new patient. Thank you very much.